to use confidential mode in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use confidential mode in Gmail. And after that, in order to use the confidential mode, just simply select the person you want to send the email. So I'm selecting the person right here, and after that you can type in any email or the thing that you would want to transfer with the person you are sending the email. And after that, in the bottom of the compose section, you will be able to see these many options like send, attachment, and all these options. You just simply have to click on this lock section which says toggle confidential mode. Just simply tap on it, and it will say that the recipient won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this particular email because of the confidential mode that you are enabling right now. And you can also set up the expiration for this particular email that you are sending. You have bunch of different options. You can select the expiration to 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 5 years, as per your liking. And you also have the requirement for the passcode. If you are sending this particular email to the person, they will have to enter the passcode that they will receive in their SMS, or you can use the SMS passcode as well. So you can select and modify all these details accordingly and click on save. And now the confidential mode has been activated in this particular email. Now just simply go ahead and click on send, and as soon as your email has been sent, you can see that I have sent this email to myself only, and you can see that you can have the email right here, and you can see this email has been written over here. And now this email will get expire on 6th of October. So that means this has confidential mode has been activated for this particular email right here, and this is how you will be able to use it. So that's how you will be able to use confidential mode on Gmail. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.